Alexa, play Turn Down for What?
For What? By DJ Snake and Lil Jon.
Damn. Alright, no voltage here. That's not good. Put you on a new thermostat anyway. Alright, so we don't have power going to this is exhaust on it, condenser, secondary thermostat, and the primary thermostat. So on the secondary thermostat, what they've done is, see how it only has the red in common? These are placebo thermostats. So this is just going to the thermostat I'm sorry to say this, but mind fuck them into thinking they have control over the temperature in their room, but they don't. So, but this guy does have the controls. So he's in 123, which means he controls 124. So I'm going to check my transformers and make sure I have power to coming out of it. Oops. Well, maybe that's where y'all need to be. I don't know. Shit. Maybe on a very sharp angle. But here we go. Anyhow, let's just check some powers. These definitely don't have no damn shit up here. Y'all just gonna have to take my word for it. I don't have my... That's why I like my glasses, guys. Why I like my glasses. So let's see. Well, what the hell? Hold on. Where'd they hook? Oh, okay. So, okay, so we got a SS1. That's throwing me off. I was like, where's the red wire? There we go. So that's going from the SS1, so it kills the 24 volt totally. And blue's common. 28.21 volts, guys. 28.2. Alright, so what I want to do, there's two transformers in here. Now, one looks like it's supposed to be running that ECM motor, and the other, I don't know. This looks like the input for it, though. Let me see. Damn, I wish I could set y'all up somehow, man. I need to put magnets on the back of my phone so I can stick them. Well, then I would have to put them on the screen of the phone, wouldn't I? Yeah. I mean, this is something. It's something like that ss2, but... Or ss1. I don't know what it is. ss1. Well, that's kind of weird. The door switch, by the way, guys, is taped off. There's a door switch on these, and this is not. Alright, what did they do here? Because this is a fire wire. The fire's got them cut off somehow. Don't know. White stuck to red over here. God almighty. a common. Here we go. I'll put this in the common. This in the wire net. There we go. Okay, something's going on here. This is the primary thermostat right here, which is okay. So they love it. It's got power to the damn board. Alright, so that's the power to the board, so that's working. Yep. Yep, it is. So can somebody please explain to me the hell is going on with the secondary transformer here? Because there's no input to it. These are the only two wires hooked into it. Seriously. This is a secondary and primary coil on a transformer, but alright, so this transformer, when I unhook it, the light does go off, so man, dang gummit. The hell? I mean, look at all the wiring. My God, dude. Let's try the SS. Well, there you go. Dang gummit. Oh my fucking God. Are you kidding me right now? That was it? Guys.
I don't know if it's in the shop or not.
Look for the simple shit.
I think we need to get this one right.
Oh my God.
She needs it now. Is there any in any of the other ones?
I am okay, hold on. I got it. Oh man. Let me turn them off real quick. Let's go over what just happened. Alright, for you guys that don't know, there's a float switch in here. It's gonna probably go off again, but there's a float switch in here, and when this goes up, it turns off the unit. So if it's sitting at an angle like that, it's definitely not gonna work. And why is it so loose anyway? Oh my God. I knew it was something simple, but there you go. It's an SS2 at an angle. Guys, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Yeah, I think we fixed this one. You have a great day. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Check the simple stuff first.